Good afternoon to all. It's me Ritika Kumari. Today we are going to perform our debate. The topics: who plays a vital role in a family, father or mother. My left hand side they are supporters of mother and my right hand side they are supporter of father. So let's watch. Fathers play a significant role in our family because he fulfill our dreams.
Mother play a vital role in a family unit because they contribute to the overall well-being of the family in many ways, including teaching, emotional support, and household tasks, and etc.
And when father and mother do hard work and come at home, then mother massage the father's leg and father take a good sleep. Then I told mother is a play a vital role in our family.
But father is one who maintained strict discipline among the family and he looked upon with respect by everyone.
Mother is a friend, parents, guide and teacher to her child.
Father play a vital role by providing security, promoting inner growth and model characters.
And mother provide a unconditional love, creating a sense security of the child.
Father provide you money to get a good education.
Mother provide comfort, care, and emotional support to their children from birth.
He always guides, support and encourages us to be a better person.
Mother are the backbone of our family to secure and support.
Father are backbone of our society. We face any problem in financial, they also support in financial support.
But mother is a good teacher. He was the first teacher of our life. He teach many skills like communication skill, many things. That's why we are telling mother is a play vital role in our family.
Father is also teacher. Father teach our children in a different ways, indifferent to our mother.
Father motivates his children to achieve their goals through education.
When a father drink alcohol and come to home and start to beat mother can't tell anyone.
Do you know why father would drink alcohol?
No sister, I don't know.
Because father have a tension of their family, of their children.
Mother have also tension for children and many household work.
But mother have a tension, but he start scolding and fight to any person.
No, this is wrong. Father is also drink alcohol and beat mother.
In some cases, not all the cases.
But father when drink alcohol, he abuse everyone.
How can you say that father abuse everyone? If no one can talk to him, then how can he abuse everyone?
What you can tell my dear sister? I don't understand. Can you repeat again?
You have told father abuse everyone. That's why I have told. If you don't tell to him anything, then why he start to you told?
But my dear sister, you told before, father as drinking, he have a lots of stress. But everyone have a lots of stress, also strength. But those are not drinking. Why father are only drinking?
But everyone is not a father.
But all fathers also are not drinking. Some fathers are drinking.
That's why we are telling father play a vital role in a family. All fathers are not drinking.
But your friends are telling our father are drinking because he have a lots of stress.
Whose father have lots of tension, he only drink alcohol, and whose father don't have tension, he don't drink alcohol.
Sorry sister, it is not right.
And if he drink, then he relax feel. That's why he drink alcohol. Otherwise he can't drink.
alcohol is relaxed to you.
No, those fathers drinker, then he drink alcohol, then he feel relaxed. That's why he is drink.
But mother does not drink alcohol. Mother is also work hard.
How can you say that mother is not drinking alcohol? Nowadays mother are also drunkard.
Sorry sister, this is wrong. Where you see? Any proof?
I have proof in my area.
Only your area, but
Father worked hard in a scorching sun to give us happy life. Father like a blood, without blood we cannot live.
Mother stay half of the day in the kitchen to prepare delicious food for us. Without food, we cannot survive healthy life.
All those things father provides.
Mother often put their children's need there before on.
Father fulfill our dreams, need and all those things.
But without mother, it is not possible, sister.
How can you say this?
Because when mother is not present at home, he not cook foods, he not cook healthy foods. So how can children survive healthy life?
If suppose father don't earn money, then how it is possible to cook delicious food, to buy costly clothes, to purchase many things?
But mother has also power to earn money.
But this money is not enough to lead a healthy life, and we can't fulfill our dreams of this money.
How to say this, sister? Because mother is also working at same post, same place, and is also earning a same salary.
If mother is educated, then he get a job. If mother is don't educated, then he did not get a job.
But this is follow with our also father.
But father is not educated, then he work hard.
Mother is also work hard.
She work hard only the kitchen and home, not all those the world.
No, sister, I am not satisfied your point because mother is also work hard in also field. I see many areas.
Field money is not enough to lead a healthy life.
It is enough.
Father always support, guide and encourage us to be a better person. And he love his children equally, and also he is a risk taker. He never give up on our mistake.
But mother has a magical power. When mother enter the room, feel very interjective, and it's happened to every child.
Fathers are the important figures and crucial of the family system.
Sorry, sister, repeat again. I don't satisfy your point.
Fathers are the important figures and crucial of the family system.
But mother take care entire family to their home is become a beautiful house.
Children get courage to fight the battle of life from father struggle.
mother is also a struggle how to leave my child.
Father go outside and work hard and earning money. And how many slang word for earning money?
Mother is also go outside and she earn money.
Already I have told my brother, if mother is don't educated, then how can he go through the job?
But nowadays many mothers are educated and she will get job.
Nowadays it is not possible all the mother can get a job.
But those will get job and those are doing labor works.
How much they provide in a labor work?
Even a day 500 rupees. That is enough to run the family.
No brother, 500 they are not provide for labor.
But father is also and that's why money, enough money.
Father provide physical and emotional security for their children.
Mother often provide emotional warmth, nurturing and unconditional love, creating a sense of security of the child.
Father provide a secure home to lead a healthy life and good education.
What do you say, mother? They do not care to her children and provide education.
They give, but father give you secure home. And generally in the cases, father is a role model of every child.
Mother is also a role model for her child.
If you face any problem and we don't have any types of solutions, our father have this problem solution.
Whenever we will face any problem, who will come first? You know, our mother will come first and protect us.
If any problem came in family, then our father stand in front and facing this problem, and he don't cry. And if any problem came in our family, then mother cry. He can't face this problem.
Father can as role model for discipline and integrative, teaching children about responsibility and respect.
Because mother many time fasting, so mother have no power, and father not many time fasting only. So father have power, so mother have no power and mother weeping, and father have power, so mother not weeping.
What you can say, brother? I can't understand. Where is the relation of this problem and fasting?
Because mother fasting a many time fathers, for fathers.
Already I have told no relation about problem face and this fast. If mother fasting, then he is for on fasting for own benefit. You don't read in science, if we fast one day, then our physical fitness is good.
When father make a mistake, they do not tell anyone. Then mother make a mistake, his father-in-law, they scorching him.
Do you know, whenever father stop earning money, then all the family members start scolding to him.
Sorry sister, I not agree with your points, because one day mother will suffering from fever. All household works are no anyone take.
If mother is suffering from fever, who provide money to feel well and for her treatment?
Sister, I told already, mother is earn money. That's why she is earn money. Then he treatment on money.
Father can help their children in develop a sense of place in this world to develop in social development.
Mother help children in process of emotion, negative social relationship.
If you go anywhere, then anyone asks to your father name, not asks to your mother name.
But any country, we does not address father, we address mother. You know.
If you start visit your village and visit your maternal house, don't go through the other country. If you go through the other country, then you ask your motherland. If you visit in your village, relationship, other state, then ask your father's name.
This is our society problem. Our society does not respect our mother's name. That's why he not ask our mother's name.
If when you are weeping, then you are telling ma. Do you know why?
Because when baby born, this time too many long time mother spend time with her children. That's why she told first letter ma, and every time mother told beta ma. That's why baby told first ma.
Father, why not spend to their children? Why not tell Papa?
Because he went to outside and earning money. That's why he did not get a chance to tell to their children, tell beta papa.
You tell the first teacher is father.
We only told first teacher is father, not tell. Our father is teacher in our society. He teaches us how to behave in our society.
If father is first teacher in your life, then why not learn to tell anything?
What do you want to say? Only mother teach you to how to tell, how to speak, how to communication to the others. Father not tell this thing?
Yes, my dear sister.
If you can tell father, then you can grow fastly. No, if our father teaches us many types of behaviors and how to talk with another person, this is most important in our life.
But first mother teaching how to speak in our society, how to told our seniors.
Because mother are our first teacher guiding us through life challenges.
Partially this is right, but father provide you lots of teacher to fulfill your dream and achieve your goal.
This is father responsibility to keep teachers fulfill our dreams.
That's why we are telling fathers play a vital role in a family.
How can you say mother does not do work in home? How we fulfill our dream?
For fulfill our dream, father provide you money to fulfill your dream and achieve your goal.
But mother can stay away from own parents, but cannot be imagined to be separated from our children. You know?
Because father went to outside for earning money and he educate us to be a good citizen.
How can you say this is a very wrong thing, my dear sister? Because mother every time gives respect to his husband, and he is supposed to every family member.
Brother, I could not get you. Please repeat again.
My dear sister, mother earns money. After that, she gives respect to her husbands and family member also.
This is wrong. I have seen in my society. Where do you see mother give respect to father after earning money?
If father died, then anyone can understand mother feeling, and if mother died, then anyone can understand father feeling.
And he married with another lady because he think when I went to outside of the country, then who care my children? If I will not available in this house, then who care my children? Who teaches my children? That's why he get married with another lady.
But mother have enormous pain while giving birth to a child, but cannot see eye in the tear of a children.
What do you want to say? Father did not love their children.
When father died and mother remind many times she don't married and mother died and father remind only sometime. He forget wife dead and he married another lady.
I have told mother also get married, and what do you think that mother 24 hours just only remembering his husband?
Sister, you know, mother why will not get married? Because she have capacity to manage our house.
What you mean? Father have no capacity. He also on self he care her children, his children.
But why father get married? Father has capacity to run the family. Why father get married?
All cases not father get married. In some cases father get married. But do you know why he get married? Because society or forces him to get married to their children.
Today discussion who play a vital role in our society, mother or father, is ended here.
In your opinion, who plays a vital role, mother and father? You can comment on comment box.